students are like a steep well full of poison, and the teachers are like a treasure of honeydew or nectar. If we move on the paths shown by our teachers, surely we will get success in our life. In fact, the paths shown by our teachers are the simplest and the only way to success in our life. As we have already heard that teachers are like a candle. As a candle burns itself to lighten the way for others, in the same way the teachers exhaust their life for the sake of their students. As we know that 5th September is celebrated as Teachers Day all over India. This day keeps a great importance for the students all over India, because through this day we the students show our heartily respect for our teachers. Today we are going to talk about the background of celebrating Teachers Day. In order to know the background of celebrating Teachers Day, we will have to go back to the golden days of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Tirutani in Madras Presidency, British India, present day in Tamil Nadu, India. His father's name was Sarvepalli Veeraswamy and his mother's name was Chitamma. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan got his early education in Tamil Nadu. Later on, he did his graduation and masters in philosophy from Madras Christian College. He studied philosophy by chance rather than by choice. Being a financially constant student, when one of his cousins passed his graduation from the same college, he passed his old textbooks to Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, which automatically decided his academic course. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was married to Siva Kamu, a distant cousin, at the age of 16. They had 5 daughters and 1 son. The name of his son is Sarvepalli Gopal, who became a famous historian. In 1909, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was appointed to the philosophy department of Madras Presidency College. In 1918, he was appointed as a professor in the University of Mysore, where he taught at its Maharaja's College, Mysore. At that time, his first book was published named The Philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore. In 1921, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan became a professor in the University of Calcutta, present day known as Kolkata. In 1929, he became the principal of Manchester College in United Kingdom, where he got a golden opportunity to lecture the students of Oxford University. In 1936, he became the Vice Chancellor of Andhra University. Later on, he became the Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University till January 1948. When India got independent in 1947, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan represented India in the UNESCO, and later on he became the ambassador of India to Soviet Union. In 1952, he became the first Vice President of India, and in 1962 he became the second President of India. When he became the President of India, some of his students and friends came to him and told him that they wanted to celebrate their birthday on 5th September. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan told, instead of celebrating his birthday on 5th September, it will be a great pride for him to celebrate his birthday as Teachers Day all over India. From that day, Teachers Day is celebrated till now. He was nominated 16 times for Nobel Prize in Literature and 11 times for Nobel Peace Prize. On 17th April 1975, he died. India lost a great politician and a son, and the world lost a great philosopher and a great teacher.